If you're building an app in Thunkable, one of the easiest ways to customize your screens is through the drag-and-drop interface. Even with Thunkable's newer AI-powered workflow, you can still visually arrange elements on your screen by moving them around within the editor. Start by opening Thunkable and selecting the project you want to work on. Once your project loads, you'll see the screen preview in the center of the editor. This is where you can view and organize the elements that make up your app. If you've already used AI prompts to generate your app, you'll likely see components such as buttons, text labels, images, input fields, and other elements already placed on the screen. Rather than recreating them, you can simply adjust their position and layout using the visual editor. To move an element, click on the component you want to modify. Once selected, drag it to a new location on the screen. As you move it, Thunkable will show placement guides to help you align it with other elements. This drag-and-drop functionality is useful when you're trying to improve the appearance of your app. For example, you might want to move a title closer to the top of the screen, place an image above a button, or create more spacing between sections to make the interface easier to read. You can repeat this process with multiple components until the layout matches the design you're aiming for. If your AI-generated screen isn't exactly how you envisioned it, drag and drop gives you a quick way to make adjustments without needing to rebuild the entire page. The interface also works well alongside AI prompts. For example, you can ask the AI to create a form, product page, or a dashboard, and then use drag and drop to fine-tune the placement of the generated elements. This combination allows you to work quickly while still maintaining control over the final design. As you continue building, take advantage of the visual preview to see how your layout is coming together. Small adjustments to spacing and positioning can make a significant difference in the overall user experience. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, preview your app using Thunkable Live to make sure everything appears correctly and is easy to interact with. And that's how you use the drag-and-drop interface in Thunkable. Simply open your project, select an element, drag it to the desired location, and continue refining your layout until it matches the design you want for your app.